Hello guys, I'm here in Man-Made Lake. I witnessed I think mating session of these two birds. And there are so many seagulls here as well. I'm here to feed them. I got lots of birds here in my... Alright. I'm sorry for the blurred vision sometimes. As I zoom and zoom in, zoom out, it happens. So I'm here ready to feed them. Yeah. I'm using my other hand. As you may know already, if you're following me, I am not editing this video. I posted it as it is, as well as my other videos. They're all not edited. Okay. And that's the lake there, yeah? I like to feed them, you know. There are seagulls, the big seagulls there, white seagulls, and the pigeons. I think my bread is not enough. I want next time I will bring a bag full of breads, you know. Mm. Okay, look at this. Already finished. No more. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. There's no more. I come back again next time. Oh, look at that. Hello. You will be in the YouTube. I hope so. It will become viral. Yeah. You see, guys, look at this. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Maybe next time I will bring more bread. I think I'm going to hire that time one time. Look, they are still here with me. Look, that's my foot there, yeah? That's my feet. And they're still... Oh, there's a small bits of bridge. And there's a big one here coming. Oh, I'm sorry, man. You are late. I'm coming next time. I'm sure I will come next time. Okay? They behave properly, you know. They don't fight each other. I'm sorry, man. Oh, you're too late. So have you. I will come next time. Also, there's another one there as well. This is one. Okay, guys. I need to go. See you next time. Oh, sorry. She says she's coming with me. Oh, I'm sorry. There's no more. So I'm walking away from them. Let me see if they're still there. Oh, look, there's a half bag full of bread, and it's not enough, man. I think I need next time 2 bags. There are cheap breads in Costco or Asda, so I'm going to buy next time and then bring it here. Because I passed Wembley Park Station and there are no birds. I wait for a while there. There were no birds. They are also very good, very nice. They are used to human beings and they behave properly. Look at that. And this is the lake here. The rain, if you remember earlier, it was raining. And now the sun is about to come out from that clouds there, and that's the lake. Yeah, I've been here before. Man-made lake. Let's scan. Yeah, I've been there, that side, feeding the birds. And this is the lake. I will be here standing at the edge, yeah? I think there are so many carp here of fish. I don't know if it is allowed to fish here. If it is in the Philippines, it's all gone, man. All the fish here are gone. Even though it's a park, people will still go fishing. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I think, yeah, the clouds is opening up now. Yeah. So let's scan around and then stop. That's the public stage there. Sometimes there are musicians having music for free to the public. Yeah, oh, there are still pigeons coming to me. They think I'm still have one. Still have braids. Okay, guys, let's end up here. Thank you for watching.